What if I told you there is a new way to design viral YouTube thumbnails in minutes without any design skills, not even one? This isn't magic, it's AI. And guess what? All the tools are free, fast, and premium. Let's start. Now, the first thing you need to do is write out the title of the video you want to make a thumbnail for. I know this sounds weird, but you need the name of the video for our next step. Step 2. Paste the name of the title into the YouTube search bar. Now, remember how we want to make a thumbnail that is eye-catching? We're going to run that experiment here. Go through the list of videos that come out and look for the ones that catch your eyes. Literally, pick like 2 or 3 that actually grab your attention just by looking at them, and then do this next step. Depending on your device, either phone or laptop. If you are using a phone, just take a screenshot of the videos that you like. If it's a laptop, you should have a snipping tool already installed. If your laptop does not have a snipping tool, you have 2 options. Press down the Windows key plus Shift plus S tab, then cut out the videos you want and save it, or open this website and paste the link of the YouTube video in it and hit enter. Scroll down, save the image. Step 4. Upload the images of the videos you have saved one by one into chatgpt or Gemini. I prefer Gemini. We are going to ask Gemini to thoroughly explain the image into a prompt. I want another AI to create this image. Give me a prompt to give to the AI that is thorough and very descriptive. Step 5. Copy the prompt that Gemini gives you and paste it into an image generating AI. The AI is going to use this prompt to reproduce for us our own image. Read through the prompt you got and change anything you want. Step 6. The image generating tool I use is called Meta AI. I like this AI because I can change and edit the images however I want for free. Meta AI does not use credits like other AIs, so you can do as many images as you want, at least for now. I don't know if it's going to change later in future, but for now, you can generate as many images as you want, and you even have an animation tab here. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a tutorial for this AI. And here you have it, our very own thumbnail. With this, you can create any thumbnail you like, edit it to be anything you like. Remember, if the image you got from YouTube caught your attention, then the one you created should also get the attention of your potential viewers. Like this tutorial, look out for my next one, or you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Bye.